Once a phototropic cultivation experiment is completed and the gassing lid has been removed from the incubation chamber, it must be disassembled for cleaning. To get started, push down the 2 protruding pins to remove the gassing lid from the microtiter plate. After the light array module gassing lid has been separated from the microtiter plate, remove the silicone and sterile barrier foils. Remember, the microtiter plate and all cover foils are for single use only. To disassemble the lamb gassing lid, loosen the fasteners and remove the cooling rods, also known as the lamb cone lid. Before autoclaving the gassing lid and cooling rods, be sure to remove the silicone foil.